Yeah, I welcome you to the class, Omkar Yoga Therapy class. It is mainly a therapy class, not a yoga class. The class is intended for the senior citizens, how they will perform in their asanas and pranayama and how they will be active in their life. There are yoga stalwarts who have been performing for the last 20 years, 25 years, 15 years, like Mr. Kamath, Mr. Avsare, Mr. Benjamin Divekar. There are many seniors, and there are many seniors Bank of India colleagues also who are there present here for this much. So we'll start with this much. Okay. I'll keep, for your information, I'll keep Mr. Divekar as this much because we are in the same platform of Yoga Niketan under the blessings of the late, the great Guru Sadashiv Nimbalkar. We recite the Shanti Mantra. Take a deep breath. Divekar, I am making a demonstration, please. Divekar, ikade baga.
वर ठेवी खाली.
Yeah. दीर्घ श्वास घ्या. Take a deep breath. भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि यो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय व्योमा अमृतं गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्राणायाम करना है. Concentrate on the breath. The breath touching the walls of the nostril, moving from the left side, left nostril to the right nostril, touching the walls of the nostril. धीरे से श्वास बाहर आ रही है. धीरे से श्वास को समझते हुए slowly move your mind toward the breath. धीरे धीरे आपका मन को प्राण के तरफ से, श्वास के तरफ से आज्ञा चक्र का ऊपर लेके जाना है. Between the eyebrows. We all are senior citizens. We have to surrender to the Ishta Devata to move toward the higher state of realization. प्राण का यही उद्देश्य है, योगा का यही उद्देश्य है. Not apart from the body awareness and the breath awareness, you have to move to the higher state of realization. वही अपना प्राण का ये है, because we all have to go safely one day or the other, but the passage to the heaven or this should be very smooth. कोई भी व्याधि न होके अपने को जाना है. That is the aim and objective of ओमकार योगा. Slowly, try to concentrate. Try to bring your Ishta Devata in between the eyebrows. आज्ञा चक्र को ऊपर लेके आइए. कोई भी थॉट्स आते हैं, थॉट्स के ऊपर विचार नहीं कीजिए. लेट इट कम फ्रॉम वन साइड एंड गो फ्रॉम द अदर साइड. विचार के ऊपर ध्यान मत कीजिए प्लीज. Slowly try to come out of this. Everybody knows the meaning of the prayers which we are recited. Gayatri Japam, then Sarve Bhavantu. दिवेकर तुम्हाला मी डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटर बनवतोय. दिवेकर डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटर बनवतोय. आवाज ऐकायला येत नाही ते दिवेकर. Okay, slowly come out. दिवेकर तुम्हाला डेमॉन्स्ट्रेटर बनवतो मी. और शालेय में अवसर है. Okay, Vijay, I am making a demonstrator. You are the senior most in the class. Okay, spotlight. Yeah, Vijay, जरा पीछे जाइए. We start with Shashan Bhatt Shuddhi. Ramesh Chennai, just open your video, please. दिवेकर शनायला सांगा. Yeah, adjust yourself. Vijay, yeah. पुष्पा तुम्ही पण करू शकता, पण we are going by Yoga Niketan style. So थोड़ा और पीछे जाइए, because we don't do Kapalbhati also. We are brushing up fast. Shashan Bhatt Shuddhi, left nostril, close the left nostril, hands parallel to the ground. Divekar, start kara please. You also do. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Linear nostrils, left nostril, close the left nostril, right nostril, close. Hands parallel to the ground. You can see the demonstrator here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Both the hands in Drona Mudra. Just forward. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20.
माझ्या मोबाईलवर ऐकू येत नाहीये.
मोबाईल में का प्रॉब्लेम है सर? ओके
मी रोजचा लावतो तोच मोबाईल.
तुम्ही दिसतंय तसा करा प्लीज. सगळ्यांना तो दिसतंय डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट आहे. सगळं बघून तुम्ही करा. दोन्ही both the nostrils और during कपालभाति जितना कैपेसिटी है उतना ही करें. I am not going to take 100. तो इसका अच्छा कैपेसिटी कमती रहेगा. शनाय की कैपेसिटी कितनी हमारा माहित नहीं. दिवेकर शनाय, रमेश शनाय का कैपेसिटी कितना है डोंट नो. ओके, बाकी अदर्स आई नो. ओके, so we are going to take 50, 60, 60, 60. All are comfortable. Thumbs up करो. अवसर है. स्वाति ओके. कामत ओके. 60, 60, 60. Shana, you are comfortable. You can do as per your capacity. 30 is a 30. You have to stop in between and then again restart. Shana, again you have to restart. Yeah, what do you want to talk? Unmute yourself. Fast. Recording चालू है. Unmute yourself. Unmute करा. जितना होता है इतना करा. Okay. हाँ. Vijay, please just go behind. Still behind. कपालभाति है ना मैडम? Yeah. Sit in any Adharasana, Ardha Padmasana on simple cross leg, equidistant from the floor. Take a deep breath. See the principles of Kapalbhati: active exhalation and passive inhalation. Take a deep breath, fix the shoulder, exhale out partially, Relax your abdomen. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. आंख बंदी रखेंगे. Observe the pause of the breath for a certain moment. Again, second round, take a deep breath. दीर्घ सांस लीजिए. Fix the shoulder, expand the chest. Exhale out partially. Relax your abdomen. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. शोल्डर नीचे लेके गए. आंख बंदी रखेंगे. Let the breathing come to a normal level. Also observe the pause of the breath for a certain moment. थोड़ी देर के लिए सांस की रुकावट के ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए. That means your Kapalbhati is successful. Last round, take a deep breath. Fix the shoulder. Exhale out partially. Relax your abdomen. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. Shoulder नीचे लेके आइए. Spread your legs and relax. आंख बंदी रखना है. Normal, simple asanas only I am taking, so that all are comfortable. We are going to lie down, head towards your wall, perpendicular to me. Lie down on the supine posture. Viji, lie down. Yeah. Mr. Iyer also, please lie down. Everybody lie down, please. Request everybody to mute your mobile also. Because recording is going on. Uttan Tadasana. Head towards me. Yeah. Inhale. Raise your hand. 90 degrees. 180 degrees. Slowly go down, go down, go down, go down. Exhale. Completely relax. When you feel like coming out, take a deep breath and come back. Come back. Inhale and come back. Hands on the side, palms touching the ground. Utthita Dvipadasana. Raising both your legs to 45 degrees. Raising both your legs to 45 degrees. Hello, me, VTI class. I will call you back. Raise both your legs to 45 degrees. When you feel like coming out, come out. Breathe out and come out. Second round, Utthita Dvipadasana. Second round, raise both your legs to 45 degrees. Feel the compression at the abdomen. I think all are aware. Slowly come down. Pawan Muktasana, releasing the gas from the abdomen. दोनों पाव रेज कीजिए 45 degrees. Bring it toward the abdomen. Raise it. Press to the maximum to the abdomen. When the pressure is over, then raise your head. Inhale and raise your head, and try to touch your chin to the lock. Try to touch your chin. Close your eyes. Touch your chin. Slowly inhale and come back. Release your hand. Relax. Last portion, supine posture. जिसका घर में स्पेस का नहीं है, इसके लिए आई एम टेकिंग अ शॉर्ट दिस. उत्तान वक्रासन. टेक बोथ योर हैंड्स एट द बैक. हेड का पीछे लेके जाइए. हेड का पीछे लेके जाइए विजी. टेक बोथ योर हैंड्स एट द बैक. विजी, टेक बोथ योर हैंड्स एट द बैक. विजी. Now bend your legs. Bend your legs, touching each other. Yeah. On the left side, take your head to the left side and head toward the right side. Legs toward the left side, head toward the right side. Uttan Vakrasan. Uttan Vakrasan. Head toward the right side, leg toward the left side. Paai left kade, doka right kade. When you feel comfortable, change the position, inhale and come back and go to the opposite side. Slowly come out. पाय सरल कर रिलैक्स. Slowly come from the opposite side. Twist करो. पोटार्ची जोपा. पोटार्ची जोपा. दिवेकर. Yeah. Chin touching the ground. Adho Mukha Tadasana. Adho Mukha Tadasana. Chin touching the ground. Legs touching each other. Tadasana. कामत उल्टा झोपा जरा. ताड़ासन करता जाना है. Then we are going for Bhujangasana. Slowly come out. Relax. Next, Bhujangasana करता. Chin touching the ground. दोनों हाथ साइड में. Near the chest. Fingers pointing upstairs towards me. thumb pointing toward the nipple, chin touching the ground without giving force to the hand. हाथ में जोर न देते हुए raise your head and close the eyes. भुजंगासन. Close your eyes, डोळे बंद करा. हातावरती प्रेशर द्यायचं नाही, छातीवरती प्रेशर द्या. दिवेकर, you can see दिवेकर, yeah. Come back. Kiran, you can unmute yourself, please. Kiran, video on करो. Next, Shalabhasan. Shalabhasan. Sorry, if you are in the office, don't do it, please. If you are in the office, please don't do it. Chin touching the ground, raise both your legs. Take the support of the hand and groin का भी नीचे रखिए. Groin का नीचे. शलभासन है, दिवेकर शलभासन है. शलभासन, पाय वरती करा. शलभासन, शलभासन. Relax. सब खड़ा रहेंगे. दिवेकर एक अनम्यूट रेकॉर्डिंग चालू आहे, प्लीज वीडियो ऑन कर. असू दे तिकडे असू दे. ऐका तुम्ही. सब लोग खड़ा रहेंगे, स्टैंड करेंगे प्लीज. सब लोग स्टैंड अप प्लीज. ताड़ासन करता. वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स प्राणायामा. सो डीप ब्रीदिंग के एक्सरसाइजेस है. वी विल बी डूइंग डीप ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस. ओके, एवरीबॉडी कैन सी दिवेकर. आई एम अनम्यूटेड. ताड़ासन करा. ताड़ासन. थोड़ा मोबाइल एडजस्ट करा ना दिवेकर. मोबाइल थोड़ा एडजस्ट करा. Try to stand on your toes. You are all senior practitioners. Try to stand on your toes. डोळे बंद करू नका. पाय वरती जाऊ दे दिवेकर. पायाच्या बोटावरती उभं राहायचा प्रयत्न करा. डोळे बंद करू नका. Don't close your eyes. Feel like coming out. Exhale and come out. Next, Tadasana, variation in Tadasana. दोन्ही हात क्रॉस करा. And inhale and raise up. Palm facing the ceiling. As you go up, stand on the toes. सगळे आसन व्यवस्थित करा. रेकॉर्डिंग चालू आहे, प्लीज. When you feel like coming out, come out. अभी stretching of the spine हो गया. Lateral twisting. Lateral twisting. Inhale and take it to the right side. Lateral twisting. Right side, left side. Try to withhold, that will strengthen your spine. Intravertebral disc will be loosened. The inhaled air will pass on through the vertebral column. We are doing asanas, not exercise. Try to remain, close the eyes and try to remain. Then come back, Pushparata Paratya. Squeezing of the spine, squeezing. Extension kiya, lateral bending kiya, now squeezing on the spine. Harsha Paswasan. Divekar kade baga. Haath pati gaya. Expand your chest. Raise up. Come on, Mr. Shanai. You also can do it. Come on. Harsha Paswasan. Divekar, unmute karna ka please. Harsha Paswasan. Go back. Pati raho. Haath pati gaya. Raise up. Vijay, face the wall, please. Mr. Iyer, face the wall. Face the wall. Then I can see your hand kitna raise hota hai karke. हाँ, very good, Mr. Shanai. जाऊ दे दिवे आपला अवसर जाऊ दे हात वरती. Be comfortable. Come back. Complementary. Complementary. हाथ आगे लेना है. Take both your hands up and move toward the right side. Try to go as far as possible. जाऊ दे. पडद्याकडे जा. पुष्पलता पडद्याकडे जा. Very good. पाय न हलता. दिवेकर भिंतीकडे जाऊ द्या. भिंतीकडे जाऊ द्या. विरुद्ध भिंतीकडे जाऊ द्या. आणखीन जाऊ द्या. Come on, please. You can do it. पुष्पलता आणखीन जाऊ द्या. भिंतीकडे जाऊ द्या. समोरच्या भिंतीकडे जाऊ द्या. आणखीन जाऊ द्या. Come on. श्वास घेऊन परत या. Go to the opposite side. जाऊ माझ्या साइड या. Yes. बॉडी ट्विस्ट नाही करायची. फक्त खालचा भाग ट्विस्ट नाही करायचा. स्वाती काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे काय असलं सांगा करू नका ओके काय प्रॉब्लेम असेल करू नका कुठे प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर करू नका प्लीज ऑल सिनियर सिटीजन्स कुठे काय क्षण आहे तुम्हाला कधी काय प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर करू नका कळलं काय इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी सगळं केलं पाहिजे तसं ओके नेक्स्ट मूविंग टुवर्ड्स प्राणायाम प्राण प्रचर्दन क्रिया क्षण आहे हार्ट प्रॉब्लेम बीपी असेल हाय बीपी असेल करायचं नाही सगळ्यांनी कोणाला हाय बीपी असेल करू नये प्राण प्रचर्दन क्रिया नाही केलं चालेल पण करून एकदम प्रॉब्लेम नाही झाला पाहिजे ओके यू कैन स्टैंडिंग में करने का है विजी यू कैन डू इन स्टैंडिंग दोनों हाथ मुट्ठी में झटके से इनहेल करके झट से एक्सहेल करना है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 very good Mr. Ramesh Shanai Divekar very good you are trained Shanai train केलाय अभिनंदन रिलॅक्स सगळं lie down करा रिलॅक्स करा बसून रिलॅक्स करा प्लीज we move towards प्राणायाम अवसरे रिलॅक्स खाली बसून रिलॅक्स करा Kiran is attending the office. That's why he's not able to on the video. Is one of my colleague in Omkar Therapy, a well supporter of this. We support advanced relaxation also of yes sir on Saturdays and Sundays. डोळे बंद करा, शनाय रिलॅक्स करा. आपण प्राणायामाकडे जातोय. Basics of pranayama. विभागीय pranayama, sectional breathing, abdominal, thoracic and clavicular, and full yogic breathing. Abdominal, thoracic, clavicular and full yogic breathing. 4 types of breathing. You can point out to Mr. Divekar. Again, I'm pinpointing to him. Okay. Yeah. Chin mudra ठेवा. Yeah. Chin mudra ठेवा. उलट ठेवा. दिवेकर उलट ठेवा आणि मांडीच्या मध्ये एक्झॅक्टली मिडल द थाईस. येस. चेस्ट फॉरवर्ड. डोळे बंद. सती करा कमन. दिस व्हेरी गुड. सगळे प्राणायाम तुम्ही केले पाहिजे आता आज. दिस इज ॲब्डोमिनल ब्रीदिंग. कुठचा शरीराचा कुठचा भाग हलतोय बघून घ्या. कौन सा भाग शरीर का हल रहा है देखिए. क्लास चालू है मेरा. बात करता हूँ. हेलो, क्लास चालू. नेक्स्ट. कीजिए. चिन्मय मुद्रा. तीनों उंगलियां अंदर. चिन्मय मुद्रा. तीनों उंगलियां अंदर. हाँ. उल्टा ठेवा. हाँ. बरोबर है. यस. कीप इट रिवर्स. हाँ बस. मध्ये ठेवा. डोळे बंद. पुष्पलता. चिन्मय मुद्रा. चिन्मय मुद्रा. ओके. श्वास घ्या. This gives an effective result in pranayama. रमेश शनाय. दिवेकर कडे बघा काय करता येते. दिवेकर बघून करा. आदि मुद्रा. हाताची मुठ्ठी बनवा. आदि मुद्रा. मेक अ फिस्ट ऑफ द हँड. उलट ठेवा. दिवेकर उलट ठेवा. या. चेस्ट फॉरवर्ड. क्लेविक्युलर ब्रीदिंग. वरचा भाग क्लेविक्युलर. क्लेविक्युलर ब्रीदिंग. हाताची मुठ्ठी बनवा. मिस्टर कामत. दिवेकर कडे बघून घ्या. हाताची मुठ्ठी बनवा. मिस्टर कामत. हाताची मुठ्ठी आणि थाईसचा मध्ये ठेवा. थाईसचा मध्ये ठेवा. नेक्स्ट. दोन्ही हाताची मुठ्ठी जॉईन करा अँड प्लेस इट बिलो द नाभी. नाभीच्या खाली. नाभीच्या दोन्ही साइडला टच करा. कंप्लीट. नाभीच्या खाली प्रेस करा आणि श्वास घ्या, कंप्लीट श्वास, फुल योगिक ब्रीदिंग. डोकं वरती करा, ट्राय टू रेज योर चेस्ट. You can spotlight Vijay Iyer, how effectively she is practicing. Since my class for last 7 months, she is very active. After 5 rounds, we will be doing Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom kara, Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Starting from the left to right and right to left. Inhale from the left with Nasika Mudra. Nasika Mudra. Ramesh Shana, you can do the simple deep breathing. Inhale and then exhale. डोळे बंद करा, inhale करा आणि exhale करा. नाडीची जी माहिती नसेल तर just do simple yogic breathing. त्यांना प्राणमुद्रावरती हात ठेवला तर प्राणमुद्रा हात ठेवा, नाही तो ध्यान मुद्रा, प्राणमुद्रा. Pranamudra, the flow of the energy will be continuous. It will not be dissipate outside. The energy will be continuous. Mr. Kamath, please keep the hand in Pranamudra. दूसरा left hand Pranamudra ठेवा. Small finger, ring finger and thumb outside. You can see Vijay here. She has kept the hands in Pranamudra. Kamath बघून घ्या प्राणमुद्रा काय आहे ते. जे कुंभक लावत आहे तरच करा, कुंभक नाही तर कुंभक करू नका प्लीज. Eyes to remain closed. Round complete कीजिए. Pushpalata, you are aware of the Pranamudra. ना बघा Vijay Iyer, my students देखो Pranamudra में continuous flow of the energy. Energy doesn't get flows out. कळलं? Try to understand the scientific explanation behind the Pranamudra. अवसरे, this is for information. दूसरा हाथ जो है left hand in all pranayama should be in Pranamudra. So the flow of the energy is continuous. Small finger, ring finger and the thumb. That is the principle behind that. Energy बाहर निघून जात नाही. द्रोण मुद्रा ते पुढच्या मुद्रा ते energy बाहेर निघून जातं. तुम्ही जे energy create करतात ते. So that energy will not flow out. That will get continuously flow inside. Next, we are going for Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama के लिए हाथ पद्म मुद्रा में रखना है. Right on the left hand, in between the thighs. Thighs का मध्य में रखने का है. Vijay, bend your hand. थोड़ा curve bend करो. नहीं, palm थोड़ा bend करना है. Not straight नहीं रखना है. Keep down, keep it below. Yes, this is the correct one. Thumb touching each other. Make a cone. Yeah, yes. This is the. Vijay का हाथ देखिए जरा. Yeah, this is the correct Padma Mudra. अवसरे, this is the correct Padma Mudra. पुष्पलता बघून घे. कामत, this is बघून घे Padma Mudra. Five rounds. इन्हें गळ्यावरती लक्ष द्या. श्वास घेणार गळ्यापासून सोडणार पण गळ्यापासून. श्वासावरती लक्ष द्यायचं. वेरी गुड प्रैक्टिस फॉर थायराइड एंड पैराथायराइड ग्लैंड्स के लिए एक्टिव करने के लिए जीवाबंध सिंह मुद्रा ब्रह्म मुद्रा. जीवाबंध सिंह मुद्रा ब्रह्म मुद्रा. बीजी जीवाबंध बताइए. Touch your tongue to the heart parent. Still up. You can see अवसर एकदम परफेक्ट है एकदम. काम जीवाबंध सिंह मुद्रा ब्रह्म मुद्रा. Very good for thyroid and all type of neck infections. सिंह मुद्रा के लिए हाथ कंप्रेस करो, फेस कंप्रेस करो. मैं कहा हैंड, फिस्ट ऑफ द हैंड, कंप्रेस इट, रिलीज, रिलीज, हाथ को रिलीज करो. Touch your chin to the base, protrude your tongue and see at the nasagra drishti, at the tip of the nose. Second round जीवाबंध सिंह मुद्रा. Second round जीवाबंध सिंह मुद्रा. Next. Next. Last round जीवाबंध सिंह मुद्रा. Move to your right, Brahma Mudra. Move your head toward the right. See at the back. Close your eyes. एकदम हड़ो मिस्टर शनाय. श्वासावर synchronize करा जाए. The moment we synchronize, inhale and slowly go back. After you go back, close your eyes. See at the back. Close your eyes. Inhale and come back. Go to the opposite side. See the demonstrator here. Come back. Go up. Raise your face up. Feel the stretch at the neck. Complete stretch at the neck. And those who don't have BP can exhale and come back. Exhale and touch your chin to the neck. जिनको बीपी का तकलीफ नहीं है, next we go for शीतली शीतकारी. शीतली शीतकारी, बिकॉज ऑफ द टेम्परेचर विच इज प्रिवेलिंग, गर्मी बहुत है बाहर, शीतली शीतकारी करना बहुत जरूरी है. शीतली के लिए प्रोट्रूड योर टंग लाइक अ बीक. कमान स्वाती करा सगळे. बर्ड सारखं दीप बाहेर काढायचा. श्वास सोडताना जीभ आत घ्या. टेक अ टंग इनसाइड. Again come back. Last we do Brahmari. Brahmari with Shanmukhi Mudra. ज्यांना षण्मुखी मुद्रा होत नसेल, प्रॉब्लेम असेल, त्यांनी फक्त सिंपल दे कॅन डू हात पद्म मुद्रा ठेवायचा. स्वाती डोळ्यावरती जास्ती प्रेशर असेल तर हात खाली ठेवून करा. रिमूव युअर स्पेक्स मिस्टर शनाय. रिमूव युअर स्पेक्स. स्पेक्स रिमूव करो. When you inhale, after inhalation, rotate your tongue and touch to the hard palate. That will give the effective result. अब से बोर्ड खाली आना जरा. Index finger at the eyes. Five rounds. चश्मा घालू नका मिस्टर शनाय. Don't worry. Now everything relaxation now. Everybody lie down. Head towards the wall. रिलॅक्सेशन करता lie down करा. डोकं माझ्या साईडला ठेवा. पाय ठेवू नका. डोकं साईड माझ्या साईडला. रिलॅक्सेशन शवासन. या. Lie on the yoga mat. Hands away from the body. Spread your legs, ankle touching the ground. Keep both your eyes above the eyes. हाथ दोनों हाथ क्रॉस करके आंख को ऊपर रखिए. दोनों हाथ क्रॉस करके आंख को ऊपर रखिए. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth 10 times. Kamath, lie down, lie down. Relaxation act. Mr. Kamath, please lie down. Please lie down. Shavasana, please. Request you to please lie down. Keep both your hands above the eyes, cross the eyes. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. 10 राउंड होने के बाद में रिलीज योर hands in prana mudra, 8 inches 10 inches away from the body, both the hands, palm facing the ceiling, small finger, ring finger and the thumb touching each other, both the hands facing the ceiling. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. 10 round, repeat 10 rounds. After that, we'll give autosoma relaxation for each and every parts of the body, body awareness and the breath awareness through, and chakra awareness also. Okay, everybody knows chakras, what is it? इनको मालूम है, just सुन के लेना, just be aware of and concentrate on the point which you are this much. Okay, move your legs from left to right, right to left, hands in prana mudra. अवसरे hands prana mudra ठेवा, small finger, ring finger. Yes. Concentrate on your calf muscles, kneecap, thighs, waist, kneecap, waist, we go to the internal organs, the GI tract, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, both the kidneys at the back, urethra, urinary bladder, reproductive systems. We go to the chakras, Muladhara chakra, at the base of the spine, Swadhisthana chakra, Swadhisthana chakra at the perineum. It is red in color. Manipuri chakra at the navi, yellow in color. Number of petals are 8. Sorry, 10. Then we recite akara, Omkar's first part, that is akara, so the vibration should be felt across from the waist to the leg. Take a deep breath. Go to the middle part. Coming to the middle part. Abdomen. The pancreas, which secretes the insulin for diabetes. Liver on the right, spleen on the left. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Then diaphragm, both the lungs. The bronchial tubes inside. The alveoli, where the exchange of gases takes place. Then we have the heart, 4 chambers of the heart. Inhale through the nose. Then we have the collarbone, both the collarbones. Elbow joints, हाथ का उंगलियां ऊपर नीचे कीजिए. Back of the spine, 31, 33 vertebral columns. 8, 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 9 fused bone, sacrum bone, that is 33 pairs of vertebral column. Intravertebral disc between the bones. Spinal nerves emanating, 31 pairs of spinal nerves emanating connected to the nervous system. Feel the flow of the blood to the nadis, through the nose. Concentrating back on the chakras. The heart chakra, which are 12 petals, green in color, which is the chakra for the thyroid and the thymus, parathyroid glands. Blue in color, Krishna Bhagavan ka color, Krishna. 16 petals. Recite the Bija mantra, take a deep breath and recite the Ukar, second part of Ukar. Om. Omkar ka importance has been given in Mandukya Upanishad. We concentrate on the upper part, the nervous system, the brain, parts of the brain, middle oblong and at the back, eyebrows, forehead, Kapalbhati का जो forehead clean होता है, shining forehead in Kapalbhati. The nose, the respiratory tract, the windpipe, the esophagus tube, the foot pipe, starting from the mouth, the 32 teeth, soft palate at the back, hard palate above, the connectivity between the foot pipe and the windpipe, that is the epiglottis. The diffusion of air is inhaled, carbon dioxide inhaled out inside, and carbon dioxide, existing carbon dioxide expelled out, and oxygen is taken in from this. Oxygen passes on to the heart, to the left atrium to the left ventricle to the aorta, which is the largest artery in the body, to the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, to the capillaries, it reaches the organs for the active functioning of this. We recite the Ajna Chakra. There are two chakras on either side of the eyebrows, where Lord Shiva resides. We recite the Akar and Ukar without Makar. Ajna Chakra, indigo in color, number of petals 2, and the Bija mantra is Om, only Om, not Take a deep breath. Next, Sahasrara Chakra is between the forehead. Take a deep breath. Last part of Makar without reciting I and O. 1000 petals. There rise the rising of the seat of the Kundalini and the Muladhara Chakra, and emanating out the Sahasrara Chakra, where Ida is the left nadi, Pingala is the right nadi, Sushumna is in the middle. Activation of the Kundalini to the active concentration on the. Take a deep breath and recite the Makar only. Now, take a deep breath and recite Akar and Ukar 1/3, 2/3 Makar. Your vibration should be felt from पैर का उंगलियों से पूरे सिर के मस्तक तक पहुंचना मांगता है वाइब्रेशंस। तो दीर्घ सांस लीजिए। ओम। Relax for a while. Lie down, relax. Be in the realm of happiness. सुख दुख सुख की चिंतन कीजिए। सुख के वातावरण, सुख के जो अपने बच्चों लोग के साथ में जो गुजर गए उसको पर याद कीजिए, या अपना इष्ट देवता को पर याद कीजिए। Whichever your mind is comfortable and be in that realm of happiness. Be in the realm of happiness. Please close your eyes. Relax. Mr. Kamath, please relax. दोनों हाथ साइड में, दोनों पैर नजदीक कीजिए। मूव योर बॉडी टुवर्ड द लेफ्ट साइड। लेफ्ट साइड में आइए। टेक द सपोर्ट ऑफ वन हैंड and slowly come up. डोळे बंदच ठेवा. Keep your eyes closed. Face me. Hands in Namaskar posture. We will end up with the Shanti mantra. Take a deep breath. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Paschantu. Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody very much for attending the class. Now we want your feedback on how is the performance. All our senior citizens में एक एक point out कर दो. Please speak few words. The senior most yoga practitioner in our class is Mr. Avsare, who is practicing since 1990. 1990 is much more senior to me. He'll speak few words on the development of yoga therapy. Yoga therapy वरती तुम्ही बोलना था, 2 मिनिटं बोलायचं आहे. Not regarding Omkar therapy class, not regarding Menon. I want the development of yoga therapy, please. Bola.
Okay,
He's a qualified person. He's a qualified yoga professional. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Please continue.
Okay. I started practicing yoga since 1995 in Matru Mandir at Goregaon East, Jayaprakash Nagar. And I did it almost till now, almost sincerely and regularly. So the first things theoretically helped me are like I have never suffered from colds and coughs. Then I don't have any BP problem. I don't have sugar problem. I feel energetic when I complete the yoga class in the morning. Then you really feel energetic and peaceful. And up till now, by God's grace and Guru's grace, of course, I am very, very fit and fine. I don't have any problems.
Two words about yoga therapy. last 2
And-
years after Modi came, the therapy
Ah,
has
okay, okay. After say COVID, March 20, then there had been a lockdown and it is still continuing right now. So this yoga helped me a lot because even though I couldn't go to class in Matru Mandir, I continued yogasanas, I mean yoga abhyas in the house. Every day I get up at 5:30 and for almost 1.5 hours I do yoga abhyas. That is 12 Surya Namaskars, then asanas basically, and pranayam. In the pranayam, I include Kapalabhati, but Kapalabhati is not a pranayam, but I do it every day. And then Vilom Anulom, then Ujjayi, then Bhramari, and then I conclude with Shanti mantras. And that way, I didn't suffer from any disease, including the COVID or even everyday cold, or sometimes you get by the change of season you get cold or cough. I have not suffered from any cold or cough. That is again thanks to yoga abhyas and thanks to my yoga gurus like Menon sir and Swati ji. Thank you very much, sir.
what is the knowledge about the yoga therapy on the therapy point of view?
On the therapy, I don't know really what to say. Everyday practice helps you a lot. That much I can guarantee. And therapeutically, as I can say, what? Because I haven't studied yoga from therapeutic angle, so I won't be able to say anything on this. I don't know what to say about yoga therapy.
Yeah,
But only thing is, I don't suffer from anything because of yoga abhyas.
that itself is a therapy. That itself is a therapy.
Oh
Okay.
yes, oh yes.
Understood,
That
Ji?
instead,
Those who are new to yoga, this is itself the therapy. The continuous
Yes.
practice of yoga will increase
Yes, yes.
immunity power.
yes, yes. And regularly at the same time and for same duration and same asana, same pranayam, everything in a similar fashion. Do it every day without
He's an ex-RPI.
including holidays.
He is an ex-RPI officer. Okay, Reserve Bank
Yes.
officer, and he drives the car to his native place. किधर है?
Yes. I do 12 hours, 14 hours driving at a stretch without any problem. At the age, and I am 66 right now.
66. Okay.
Yes. And
Yes.
again, I got thanks to yoga abhyas and thanks to my yoga teachers like Menon sir and Pat. What else?
Okay.
This is the therapy part of yoga. I think everything
time,
is
yeah.
fit and fine.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Avasare. Next, I'm
Yes, sir.
introducing the senior most person, the youngest person in the class, Mr. Vittal Kamath, age only 78 years old. How active he is. Still doing the business 20 years back, जैसा करता था अभी भी करता है. To tell about your activity. Continuously practicing yoga for the last 15 years. Plus walking. Mr. Kamath, please go on the line. Be short. Be short to your talk. Yeah. Short your talk, please, Mr. Kamath. Yeah. बोला. Come on, talk. बोला ना. बोला, Mr. Kamath. Yeah.
Hello.
Everybody is hearing. Don't worry.
आवाज ऐकू येतो का?
हो. आवाज येतो. मोठ्याने बोला.
What is the question?
What is your experience about yoga for the last 15 years? And what is your idea about yoga therapy, which has been developed only since the last 2 years? Yeah.
This is to introduce myself. I am Vittal Kamath, and I've been doing yoga since last 8 years in Matru Mandir
12
with
years.
the teachers, Mr. Swati Menon and doing very well. And I am at the moment going through the process of further extending the advanced relaxation, etc., through the this Mr. Menon's class, and I am feeling myself very happy, and I do not have any problem as on date, and I am with my business at this age also.
Business, what
I
is the
have been
business? Tell short
going
about
for
business.
walking
Yeah, short about
since 1998 in RA Colony, and that keeps me the fit for throughout the years in my daily routine process. Thank you very much.
What about a business? Business activity. You are doing business also.
Huh?
Business, your business, pump sale business.
Uh, I am at the moment handling some part of the business that is on the very less, whichever the client which was to handle it. That much only I am doing it, not in the great extent, and doing the everything from the home only, not going out anywhere.
Okay.
So whatever the business I am taking, that is through my contacts which I developed in the last so many years.
How is what is the position of your memory? Memory. Are you able to recollect 20 years back, 30 years back, your clients? 30 years back, your clients.
When I started my marketing in the pumps line, I was so young at that time. So I was given the project at various places to go and fetch the business. So I studied the various customers, and I have selected some customers like paint industries, chemical industries, pharmaceutical, etc. And there actually I found out what purpose they are using the pumps, etc.
Mr.
So
Iyer,
from that
Mr.
point
Iyer,
onwards,
Mr. Kamath, Mr. Iyer, I just want to show you how yoga helps and how he is recollecting the memory, how the memory is stored. That is placing it before us. That is important of yoga, how the memory works. Okay. Yeah, continue, Mr. Kamath. Yeah.
yeah, that is what I am telling you since last 30 years, which I was to do the business. So I am going out and fetching the business, and that kept me fit for this so many years of my 45 years of experience in the pump line industries.
So that
So
is
at the moment, I am
that is
handling
yoga.
only positive displacement pumps. In that pumps, you know that this gear pumps, shuttle block pumps, twin screw pumps, triple screw pumps, air operated double diaphragm
Yeah,
pumps.
Kamath, that is okay.
These are the categories.
See, he is recollecting. That's what I want to place before the quorum. कळलं का स्वाती? How तुम्हाला तर विचारलं 20 वर्षापूर्वीचं तुम्ही बँकेचा कस्टमरचं नाव आठवा. Can you remember? No. But Kamath remembers. His age is 78. कळलं का? Nearing 80. That is yoga. And this is the living example of this market. We are all young. I am 70 plus. Mr. Avsar is nearing 70. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Kamath. I'm taking the individual interview also tomorrow. Okay. Next.
Yeah, I'm finishing by that discussion which I just described.
बस ठीक है. Thank you. मेरा इंडिविजुअली आपका लेने वाला है. Mr. Iyer from ex-AGM of Bank of India. Mr. Iyer, please come on the screen. जयश्री जाऊ नका, विजय जाऊ नका, स्वाती जाऊ नका, please. Mr. Iyer, पुष्कराला बसून दे. Mr. Iyer, I am muting you. Yeah, Mr. Iyer, yeah. He's an ex-assistant general manager of Bank of India. Okay, joined by yoga therapy class in last 6 months. Okay, please profile about yoga, not about bank. Health profile of the yoga and all. Okay, please.
I have been practicing right from day one, both in the morning also about 1 hour, and the evening class I joined. And the entire body has become very flexible now. And breathing has been very smooth. And thanks to Mr. Menon for the proper guidance.
Yeah. And Vijay, don't go, please. Vijay, don't go, please. Yeah.
He's coming down.
Yeah.
He's,
Like Mr. Kamath told Mr. Iyer, can you
Yes.
recollect any incident 20 years back in Bank of India? Just a memory testing. Can you recollect?
Very difficult.
See Mr. Kamath. So of late only he has started walking and live. Mr. Kamath, see the difference.
Yes.
Okay. Same thing I asked the question to Mr. Kamath. He is able to recollect 30 years back. So I'm just asking you how much you are able to recollect 20 years back, any customer, any grave incident which has happened. Can you recollect, please?
I can recollect some favorable things. Not all.
Not all. Okay, thank you. Mrs. Iyer, who is the star of the class, Omkar therapy class. 1 minute. 1 minute, Vijay. 1 minute. Vijay, 1 minute. I'll just yeah.
Hello.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Christian.
1 minute, madam. 1 minute. Yeah. Vijay Iyer has received the certificate of participation on 108 Surya Namaskar. 108 Surya Namaskar. In International Day of Yoga 2021. She participated. Okay. This is short profile of how your activity during the Corona period. Ladies का याद रखो सब लोग, ladies का because of this Corona period they are not allowing any outside lady maids to come inside. They are doing all the work by themselves. Okay. Yeah. Vijay, come on. Yeah.
Into this yoga, but I don't know much about it. I used to see the yoga programs in TV, then read some books and do some little asanas. I don't know much about it, but I used to do so that the body was flexible. But when I got a chance that Mr. Menon is conducting this class, I took full opportunity, full advantage of it. Just that little accident, my leg. So a yoga teacher came and she instructed me little. So it was more helpful. And after joining this class, I started doing it regularly. And previously we were just skipping. Some days we used to be lazy. We never used to do. But after joining this class for the last 7 months, we are very regular. Not to, and Menon sir doesn't spare us on Saturday and Sunday also. So morning and evening.
Advanced relaxation.
Advanced relaxation they were taking, and it has done good to us because we are now better relaxed and our body is very flexible. We are able to do so many things which we never used to do. So we are grateful to this yoga therapy class. Actually, this is really therapy because if you do it regularly, then it does wonder to your body. There is no doubt about it.
Yeah.
Thank
Next
you.
is Jayashree Dhamal. Jayashree, please come on the screen. Yeah. Jayashree, 8 minute. Yours also is there. Say Bella, Vijay, Jayashree. Yeah. No, sorry. 1 minute.
कसं करते हैं आज
Just see, Jayashree has also received the 108 Surya Namaskar from Thane School of Yoga certificate of participation in 2021 International Day of Yoga. Jayashree Dhamal. Swati Mahekar also is a student of us, but due to domestic commitment, she could not join the class. This was 1 month training from starting from the basic 6 Surya Namaskar. they slowly, step by step, they reached. Yeah. Jayashree, you can continue. Yeah. Yes. Jayashree, come on, please. Jayashree, video on करा please आणि बोला. 2 शब्द बोला. Yeah, please. Jayashree, please come on the screen. लवकर. Unmute करा आणि बोला 2 शब्द. Video unmute करा. Jayashree, I am waiting for you, please. दिवेकरला कामतचा नाही प्लीज. दिवेकर जरा थांबा जरा. ओके. जयश्रीचं काय झालं? मिस्टेक झालं का?
मला काय म्हणू का?
हे झालं. या 1 मिनिट. जयश्री, आर यू रेडी? स्वाती 2 शब्द बोला लवकर. 2 शब्द बोला. बोला लवकर बोला. स्वाती अनम्यूट करा. स्वाती अनम्यूट करा आणि बोला. 2 शब्द बोला. बैंक ऑफ इंडिया स्टाफ आहे. बोला 2 शब्द बोला लवकर. अनम्यूट करा.
Unmute.
हा आता बोला लवकर. जवळ या.
Hello,
हा.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
I have attended this class for only 3 months from I think March to March, April, May, but I have learned so many pranayams and I have learned it correctly. And after that, I got the cataract operation for both the eyes, so I was unable to attend the class. But whatever I learned from this class, I do it regularly, pranayam and all this. And in future also, I will join this class. I hope. Thank you, sir.
Hey, but are you doing your domestic work alone because of the corona? You are not allowing anybody to enter inside, ladies.
Yes. Sir.
So that is important. Na? That is your day-to-day activity. You are able. So संध्याकाळी तुम्ही tired होतात का सांगा? संध्याकाळी
Tired नाही होत आहे आणि I have energetic in full day.
Yeah, that is the thing. Jayashree, come back. Yeah, Jayashree. Yeah.
Thank you.
जयश्री या प्लीज का शब्द बोला. तुमचं घर कसं चाललंय, तुमच्या डोमेस्टिक याचं कसं चाललंय, प्राणायाम आसनास कसे चाललेले आहे तुमच्या आमच्या क्लास मध्ये 2 शब्द बोला लवकर.
मी मार्च 21 पासून जॉईन केला. मी 5-6 महिने मेनन सरांचा क्लास जॉईन केला तुमचा सर. आणि मी योगा आधी कधी केला नव्हता, पण तुमच्या क्लास मधून मला बरंच काही शिकता आलं. प्राणायाम वगैरे सगळं मी यापूर्वी कधी केलं नव्हतं. पण आता माझी हेल्थ एकदम चांगली आहे आणि माझ्या पायाचे भरपूर प्रॉब्लेम होते. मी खाली कधी बसत नव्हते, पण मेनन सरांच्यामुळे मला खाली बसून योगा करता आला. हे एक बेस्ट बेनिफिट आहे माझ्यासाठी, कारण त्यापूर्वी मी कधी खाली जमिनीवर बसलेले नव्हते. माझ्या पायाचा ऍक्सिडेंट झाला होता, त्यामुळे माझे पाय दोन्ही जरा मतलब अनेबल होते म्हणजे खाली बसण्यासाठी वगैरे. पण मेनन सरांच्या आग्रहा खातर मी खाली बसायला शिकले आणि त्याचा भरपूर बेनिफिट झाला. आता मी काही काम असलं तरी खाली बसते आता. आणि बाकी प्राणायाम वगैरे तर खूप चांगलं रेग्युलर माझी प्रॅक्टिस आहे.
वयामुळे तुम्हाला आर्थरायटिस आहे काय? आर्थरायटिस आहे?
आर्थरायटिस पण आहे, पण माझ्या ऍक्सिडेंटमुळे एक मध्ये ऍक्सिडेंट झाला, त्यामुळे एक पाय आणि नंतर दुसरा पाय पण खाली बसण्यासाठी किंवा जिने चढण्या उतरण्यासाठी अनेबल झालं होतं. म्हणजे असं खूप त्रास व्हायचा मला.
आता नाही होत.
आता एवढा होत नाही, पण आर्थरायटिस तर आहेच आहे. पण त्याच्यामुळे मग थोडं
पद्मासन वज्रासन बसायचं नाही, क्रॉस पण बसायचं नाही. चेअर मध्ये करता जितकं करा चेअर मध्ये आणि उभं राहा. ओके. आणि रिलॅक्सेशन.
येस.
थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. ओके. रेग्युलर राहा, ही इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. आता आमचे सिनियर टीचर्स दिवेकर ऑन द लाईन. दिवेकर,
मला विचारून का? मी तर तुमचे टीचर आहे.
अरे बाबा, तुम्ही आमचे टीचर आहे. चला 2 शब्द बोला, लवकर बोला.
टीचर आहे.
या पुष्पलता, डोंट गो. या बोला 2 शब्द बोला.
मी योग विद्यानिकेतनचा स्टुडंट आहे होतो. मी योग विद्यानिकेतन मधनं मी TTC म्हणजे टीचर ट्रेनिंग कोर्स पूर्ण केला. त्याच्या आधीपासून मला आवड होती, पण मला वेळेच्या अभावी किंवा कंपनीच्या वेळेच्या अभावी त्यांना करता येत नव्हतं. पण मी इंटरेस्टेड होतो आणि मला कामत सरांच्या मुलांनी एनकरेज करून मग मी TTC केलं, त्याच्यानंतर नॅचरोपॅथी केलं, ऍडव्हान्स केलं आहे. आणि मला आता माझ्या मेमरी सुद्धा चांगल्यापैकी आहे आणि मला बाकी कुठलाही त्रास नाही आहे. डायबिटीस नाही आहे, हाय ब्लड प्रेशर नाही आहे, झोपेचा त्रास नाही आहे, कुठलाही लॉंग स्लीप लागते. मी ते
धार्मिक याच्यामध्ये सांगा, धार्मिक बद्दल सांगा. दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट इन योगा.
आणि धार्मिक मी पहिल्यापासूनच होतो आणि आता सुद्धा आहे धार्मिक. मी माझे ते रिच्युअल्स आहेत मी रेग्युलरली फॉलो करतो आणि मी रेग्युलरली प्रेयर अटेंड करतो. माझ्या सकाळच्या प्रेयर आहे, सॅटर्डे मॉर्निंग, फ्रायडे इव्हिनिंग प्रेयर्स मी अटेंड करत असतो.
दिवेकर कधी पण भेटत नाही सकाळी, बिकॉज इज बिझी इन द प्रेयर्स. आणि अल्टिमेट एम ऑफ योगा इज सेल्फ रिअलायझेशन. हेल्थ ठेवणं इज वन ऑफ द, त्याच्या पुढे जायचं आपण. धारणा, ध्यान, समाधी हेच आपलं लक्ष आहे. Iyer is also very religious, very good in scriptures. All Narayaniam and all lectures she attends in the ladies group. Okay.
अजून सांगू का मी?
बोला ना.
मी त्याच्यामुळे मी पामिस्ट्री, ऍस्ट्रॉलॉजी सुद्धा केलं. त्याच्यामुळे मेडिटेशन आपल्या ह्याचा मसाजचं सुद्धा केलेलं आहे. त्याच्याबरोबर त्या अभ्यासाबरोबर योगाच्या अभ्यास.
Mr. Iyer, he is going to come to you. Okay. He is a massage specialist. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Therapy class.
असे यांची ऍक्टिव्हिटी चाललेली आहे. He also retired. Okay. Next come. पुष्पलता शेणाय राजगुरु. Sorry, पुष्पलता राजगुरु. A teacher, yoga teacher, professional. We are both appearing for yoga therapy examination 23rd ला. बोला, तुम्ही 2 शब्द बोला. तुम्हाला योगा मध्ये आले, कसं हे झालं आणि कसा फायदा झाला, आणि योगा थेरपी बद्दल 2 शब्द बोला.
नमस्कार, मी पुष्पलता राजगुरु. मी 6-7 महिन्यापासून सरांकडे योगा थेरपीसाठी येते. थोडस मला जॉईंट्सचे प्रॉब्लेम होते आणि ओबेस पण आहे मी, त्यामुळे मी सरांकडे जॉईन झाले होते. आता मला खूप फरक पडलेला आहे आणि फ्लेक्झिबल तर झालेच आहे मी. त्याचबरोबर थोडस वेट पण कमी झालेलं आहे. मी योगा थेरपीची स्टुडंट आहे. ठाणे स्कूल ऑफ योगा मध्ये मी सांगायचं का सर? ते नाही ना, नॉट प्रॉब्लेम, गरजेचं नाहीये ते.
बोला. आणि
मी स्वतः योग शिक्षिका आहे, पण थोडस हेल्थ प्रॉब्लेम मुळे मी मध्यंतरी काही करू शकले नाही. बरेच इश्यू झाले होते, पण आता मी मेनन सरांचा क्लास जॉईन केला तेव्हापासून माझे बरेच म्हणजे इम्प्रुव्हमेंट झाली आहे माझ्या शरीरामध्ये. थँक्यू मेनन सर. थँक्स अ लॉट.
रमेश शेणाय, दिवेकर. रमेश शेणायला काय बोलायचं का 2 शब्द? रमेश शेणाय, एव्हरीबडी गिव्ह इट अ चान्स. आय थिंक सगळे झालेलं आहे. एनीबडी इज रिमेनिंग? आणखीन काय ऍड करायचं, कोणाला काय करू शकता तुम्ही? ओके अवसरे, थँक्यू. विजय अय्यर, जयश्री, स्वाती मयेकर, विठ्ठल कामत, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. बघितलं आमच्या कामत बघा किती ऍक्टिव्ह आहे. 78 वर्षात त्याचे बिझनेस करतात बघा. सगळ्यांनी त्याला एकदा नमस्कार केला पाहिजे कामतना. इज माय व्हेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड. आम्ही 2-3 वर्ल्ड टूर केलेले आहे. वी हॅव डन 2-3 टूर्स टुगेदर. युरोपियन टूर, न्यूझीलैंड टूर. ही वॉज माय गाइड. इंस्टेड ऑफ ही बीन एल्डर टू मी, ही वॉज माय गाइड. अपन बोलता है लंगोटी यार, ऐसा है कामत हमारा इसमें. ओके. Most ideal yoga student, very sincere in pandemic, in the online, most sincere student.
We will also plan another.
As long as your feet is perfect, all organs will be perfect. If your feet is not perfect, then things are very difficult to control. It will keep on adding. So I request that everybody should take care of their feet, and everybody should go for walking at least minimum for half an hour. Number 1. Number 2, in the morning they should get up at 4 o'clock. Don't get up at say 7 o'clock or 7:30. That will also add, and start doing some meditation in the morning.
Yes, that is important.
That
Brahma
will,
Muhurta
that
meditation
will
is,
keep you fit
yeah.
throughout the day.
अवसर ऐकलं ना, आसनाच नाही इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, मेडिटेशन
Yeah.
इम्पॉर्टंट. या वयात मेडिटेशन इज इम्पॉर्टंट. धारणा, ध्यान, समाधी. या
Go to sleep at 10 o'clock and get up in the morning at 3:30, 4 o'clock. That is better.
येस.
You can have a nice sleep. And if you don't get sleep, Menon is there. He will tell you what to do about it.
We give advanced
Meditation is the
relaxation.
best way of doing it.
And what you have learned from advanced relaxation, Kamath? Advanced relaxation में क्या फायदा हो गया बताइए.
So meditation is one must do, and the pranayama. So every day, 1 hour, I take more than 1 hour for pranayama only. Then little bit of asanas here and there. That's it. So because of Corona, I could not go to the walking, but little bit of walking I am doing it around my campus.
Thank you, Kamath. Thank you, everybody. पुष्पलता जरा थांब जरा 2 मिनिटं थांब. अवसर आहे, thank you. Mr. Iyer, Mrs. Iyer, thank you. बोलो. Yeah.
Mr. Menon,
Yeah.
thank you very much for bringing all these gentlemen and ladies in one platform and giving us good exposure.
Yeah.
And, we will organize world tour.
Yoga tour.
Yeah.
World tour.
Yes.
Mr. Kamath is the guide. Mr. Kamath is the guide.
Yes.
Avsare also has gone to world tour. Avsare भी जाके आया. Avsare has
मेनन
gone
सर
to
मेनन सर विश्वाचार्य आहेत बरं का. मेनन
Avsare
सर इज विश्वाचार्य of ठाणे स्कूल ऑफ योगा.
Avsare has gone to Rishikesh. कुठलं ते स्वामीजीचं नाव आहे? अवसरे स्वामीचं नाव काय? दयानंद सरस्वती.
शिवानंद आश्रम.
शिवानंद आश्रम.
स्वामी शिवानंद.
And
Swami
unfortunately,
Shivananda.
February 2020, it was 1 month, 145 days, 1 month, 45 days कुछ course था उसका.
Yeah. 2 months.
Pictures, 2 months course.
2 months.
Because of the lockdown, March 15th को he has immediately come back.
Yes.
Okay, now,
But it's a wonderful experience.
wonderful experience, wonderful.
Life is totally different over there. You don't have day-to-day haggles and all the hustle bustle of the life
We'll go.
there in the ashram, and it's very systematic. And without doing any rigorous activities,
Rishikesh
I lost almost 10 kgs there. And I used to take normal food, no diet, nothing, but still I lost 10 kgs and used to feel very fresh and energetic throughout the day. That was wonderful experience in Bhuti.
Scriptural knowledge.
Exactly, it is near the banks of Ganga River
Yeah.
at Rishikesh.
It is, see, their main ashram is in Trivandrum.
कोई भी जा सकता है वहाँ.
No, ladies are not allowed. This is the ashram for sannyasis.
Okay.
But I see some ladies over there, but they are also adorning Bhagwa Kapda. I don't know
बोले
whether
तो हाँ सन्यासी.
sannyasi.
Okay.
And all the teachers were almost, average age was almost 80 plus. And the teacher who used to teach us Patanjali Sutras, no, he was 91 years old.
91 years when you
91 and
Jai
very
Shri
fit than us.
Mr. Iyer, this year. Mr. Iyer.
Padmanabhan.
Ji,
His name was Padmanabhan.
हाँ,
Swami Padmanabhananda.
ऐकलं का? 91
Yeah.
years चा माणूस कसा लक्षात ठेवतो बघा. And that also teaching this tough subjects. हाँ?
And he never used to refer to
Mr.
books.
Iyer, please hear this. Please hear. The teachers who are sitting in the teaching the ashram are 91 years old, 91, 92 years old. Okay.
And no reference book.
Without
All
referring the
through
book.
Yeah, through
Mr.
memory.
Iyer, just here.
Clear memory.
Bhagavad
And he
Gita,
told us specifically-
Bhagavad Gita, Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Hatha Yoga Pratipika. Without referring the book, 91 years old person is should teach.
Yeah.
No ladies, only gents and brahmacharis. Okay. All the teachers are above 80 plus.
Yeah.
How many? That's what I want to say. How yoga plays wonders. ऐकलं का?
Yeah, that,
Yeah.
ऐकलं ना?
actually, it has been actually neglected in India. somebody should take it up. Everybody should know yoga and all our shastras.
अरे स्कूल में पढ़ाना
Yes,
पड़ता है.
बराबर है.
After Modi has come, it has little थोड़ा improvement हो गया है. Okay, let us.
Yeah.
And worldwide spread भी हो गया awareness.
Yes, and because of Ayush
Make-
Ministry's courses, I
Yoga,
came to
Gita,
know about
all
yoga.
this should be compulsory in school.
And Ayush Ministry courses which we have done, we learn the scriptural knowledge more.
Yes,
Yes, yeah, that is most important to us. Okay.
and then you realize it is not about asanas and pranayama. It is beyond that.
Beyond that, something else beyond that. I have studied my post-graduation from SVSA. I got international license to go anywhere in the world and teach. That license I
Arre
got
wah,
from
kya
SVSA.
baat.
Anywhere in the world I can go and teach. That SVSA certificate is more than sufficient. That special license I got. Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, that apart. But youngsters can go as Indian representative to the Ministry of Cultural Affairs. Okay.
सर आप जा रहे हैं ऐसे ऐसा को जनवरी में?
जनवरी में जाने वाला मैं और विजय जाने वाला. टिकट बुक करा.
हम जा सकते क्या?
तूने कहा ना डेफिनेटली हम घेऊन जाऊ ना तुम्हाला. दिवेकर आहे एसवायचा येणार का कॉन्फरन्सला जानेवारी 7th 8th दिवे अवसर येणार का 7th 8th 9th
नाही, मी ऑलरेडी ह्याला जातो नर्मदा परिक्रमा.
ते कुठे
नर्मदा परिक्रमा फुल मध्य प्रदेश ते सुरत अँड बॅक.
अरे बापरे किती दिवसात जायते.
ऑलमोस्ट इट इज 15 or 17 days, right? 18 days.
वॉकिंग
No, not walk. Walking, it will take some months.
3 months, 4
4 months.
months देतात.
Yeah, and that requires the different kind of group only.
अच्छा मिस्टर अय्यर यू वांट टू जॉइन नर्मदा परिक्रमा यू कैन जॉइन विथ मिस्टर अवसरे.
No, and actually, I am not conducting it.
हाँ.
Some travel agency is there. I am going along with them.
अच्छा फक्त प्लेसेस बघणार तुम्ही आणखीन काय नाही.
And through bus. It will be a bus journey.
Menon sir,
हाँ बोला.
please excuse me, I want to go out.
या इट्स ओके थँक्यू.
Menon, let us call it. Menon, तुम्ही पण जाऊन या नर्मदा परिक्रमाला.
या थँक्यू तुम्हाला घेऊन जाईल. ओके चला ओके थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Oh yes, thank you very much, sir.
पुष्पा 2 मिनिटं थांब.
Thank you, Menon.
Sir, आम्ही जाऊ ना आता बाहेर.
या प्लीज थँक्यू व्हेरी
Okay, thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
sir.
सर रेकॉर्डिंग बंद केलं का?
मच. रेकॉर्डिंग बंद कर.